class 10th students, how are you? I think you all are fine. Students, today I am here for introducing a revision chapter of your unit first. You know your unit first is networking. So today we revise the whole things those we previously reading and understanding. So students, let us start. As well as you know, and you just see here the topic of history of the internet. Students, you just see here in 1962 JCR leader first proposed the development of a global network of computers. After that, Leonard Kleinrock developed the theory of packet switching, which was used as a basis for the internet connections. And lastly, the network found that in you remember this date students, 1969 the scientist at DARPA Defense American Research Project Agency succeeded in networking two computers known as ARPANET. You student understand this thing. ARPANET 1969 developed by the America. These things you remember always. Okay. 1969 में जो नेटवर्क खोजा गया था जिसका नाम ARPANET था, और वो नेटवर्क का यूज करके दो कंप्यूटरों को आपस में जोड़ा गया था. Students, next thing you just see here, understanding the working of the internet. All computers on the internet communicate with one another. As well as you very well know, when your computer, another computer, and you want to video call, then when you not connect to both, then how it is possible to communicate to each other. So it is a very important thing to for communication. You use a network, then you connect your devices, and after that you will be able to do that works. So students, all computers on the internet communicate with one another using the transmission control protocol TCP, internet protocol, IP shoot, which is the basic communication protocol of the internet. Okay students, after that the third thing is who manage the internet. The main organization and the role they play in the management of the internet are Internet Architectures Board, AIB, Internet Engineering Task Force, and INTER-NIC. This is management for networks. Okay. Internet architectures, those are equipments used look like as a committee is internet architecture. In this committee, those are used to clarify the network hardware peripherals, network software peripherals. That's work from the internet architectures. Students, uses of internet, you know very well, it is one of the fastest and most economical means of communications. Internet is also one of the best source of news and latest happening around the world, which is being constantly update in real time. Suppose that आज के समय में कोई भी घटना होती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको कैसे पता चलता है? वो जानकारी आपको कहाँ से मिल जाती है? अगर आप अपने सेल फोन द्वारा, आप अपने कंप्यूटर द्वारा, आप अपने लैपटॉप द्वारा चीज़ों को इंटरनेट पे खोजते हैं तो कैसे मिल जाता है? ये सारी चीज़ें पॉसिबल हैं इंटरनेट के द्वारा. ये एक ऐसा मीडियम है, इंटरनेट एक ऐसी व्यवस्था है जिसके द्वारा आप रियल टाइम वर्तमान समय में हो रही घटनाओं का भी आपको जानकारी बोध हो सकता है. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. Next thing is searching the internet. Searching is a process of finding information. To find the desired information, you have to move from one website to other on the internet. And lastly searching and internet. Suppose that you are opening the Google is a search engine, as well as you know, when you type some things, automatically some data is retrieved on the Google. So some data those are retrieved on the Google, that is called the searching on the internet. Okay. Email, what email, you know, email full form is electronic mail. Email is a short form for electronic mail, a service that helps you communicate with other on the internet. ठीक है, ईमेल एक माध्यम है जो आपको हेल्प करता है किसी दूसरे से कम्युनिकेशन करने के लिए. चैटिंग, the chat service available on the internet enables two or more users living in a different part of the world to communicate with each other simultaneously by sending and receiving message. This features you mostly know because everyone use the WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is a medium of chatting where you just communicate with your friends. Those are sitting in America and you are sitting in India, then you will be able to chat and share your files, sending message and receiving message. E-learning. Now at time you are, what should you do? You are doing e-learning. It means by the internet those you topics understand, that's called the e-learning. E-learning is a mode of acquiring knowledge by means of the internet and computer based training programs. It means that at that time you are doing computer training program, and it is possible by which? It is possible by the internet. Okay. Students, the next things you just see here, e-commerce. What? E-commerce is similar to commerce, which means transactions or exchange of goods and services using Friends, e-commerce is similar to commerce, which means transaction of exchange of goods and service using a computer network. कंप्यूटर का प्रयोग करके जो दैनिक रूप से हम दिनचर्या में ट्रांजैक्शंस करते हैं, लेन देन का काम करते हैं, ये हमारा ई कॉमर्स करता है. जैसे कि फ्लिपकार्ट्स हो गया, आपका अमेजन्स हो गया, इनसे जो आप सामान खरीदते हैं, जो सामान लेते देते हैं, ये आपका क्या होता है? ई कॉमर्स कहलाता है. ठीक है. एंटरटेनमेंट, द इंटरनेट इज ऑल्सो ए ग्रेट मीडियम ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट. यू कैन यूज इट टू प्ले म्यूजिक, वीडियोज एंड गेम्स, एज वेल एज यू नो नाउ एट टाइम you are watching the videos on YouTube, that is entertainment session, and you will be seeing the music, you will see the videos and other things, but now a time by the internet you will do these things. Assessing the internet, this question is very important and asked in the examination board. Important, very important, students, you just understand this thing. Okay. You can subscribe for an internet connection from an internet service provider. You know internet service provider. The ISP provides you the settings such as username and password which you need to configure the internet connection on your computer. Suppose that you want to access the internet. Now a time in your mobile phones and your laptop, internet is going on now. So you know how the internet is running. Internet running by the providing companies. You know who is the provider of the internet service provider? Internet service provider is Idea, Vodafone, Airtel, MTNL, BSNL. This is the ISPs examples. Okay. Internet service provider is a company, those you just provide the username and password to configure the internet. Okay. Internet connection. Students, next is the dial-up connection. A dial-up connection is a temporary connection that uses two public switch telephone networks to connect to the internet with the help of a modem. You know the short devices they called the modem. That modem, when you insert in a computer system, then at dial-up connections, by the dial-up connection your system modem is configured to the networks and connects. Okay. After that, broadband. The terms broadband is made up of two words, broad and bandwidth. The bandwidth refers to amount of data that a single or circuit can carry. Okay. An internet connection that provides a speed 512 kbps kilobyte per second or more that generally considered is a broadband connection. You know the broadband connection is used to high speed internet connections. Okay. Lease line connection by telephonic lines, those connection you provide, that is lease line connection. Wireless connection you very well know. A wireless A wireless connection refers to a connection that does not use any wire. You just use wireless fidelity to connect your device or computer to one to another. You can connect the internet through the wireless connection. You just see here, first wireless fidelity, worldwide WiMAX, okay, then 3G, 4G, this is connections, those are provided the wireless fidelity, and last one is www, World Wide Web. World Wide Web, it is a consist of standards and protocols that help you to create and displays multimedia file documents that contain a combination of text, graphics, images, videos and audios on the internet. It means that it is a World Wide Web. What the show? World Wide says the web page. Shows the web page. Web page, it means those are computerly page. You just see that is a web page. Web page is used to shows your files on the internet. Thank you. Have a nice day for watching the all things. You revise these things.